What's going on, man? As y'all see from the title of the video, ooh, the lighting is bad. There we go. So as y'all see from the title of the video, finna pick up that thing today, boy. I'm dome tired, boy. You feel me? The famous. And the famous. You feel me? So yeah, man, y'all already know what's going on. For my new followers, bro, I'm building that 5'3". You feel me? Got the machine work, all of that stuff. So yeah, man. Yes, sir. I ain't even gonna do an intro. I'm too happy. So we ain't gonna do no intro for real, for real. Feel me? I'm just waiting on the man to go get it. Gotta make some room back here though. Alright, so gotta get that light. So in the meantime, man, while he get the motor, I guess I'll just give y'all the rundown, bro. For my new subscribers, I got a 83 Z28 Camaro, you feel me? LS swapping, basically a budget build. End up paying a lot though. You feel me? Oh, y'all already painted the block. Oh, that's crazy. Oh man, they did the whole shebang. I did not know they was gonna paint it. Let's go. You remember how I used to look? Let's go. That boy finna be. Dang, I did not know they was gonna paint it. And the crazy part, I was gonna go with the black anyways. Well, that was the original. Then I was like debating on what color I want to do. You feel me? You feel me? And I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all, but that motor been in since like a year, bro. I ain't even know. Bro called me, he was like, hey, you gonna come get the motor? It's been over a year. I said, really? That man gave me the date when I dropped it out, boy. It was in, I want to say March. I said, dang, so God is good, boy. I did not know. I did not know. But yeah, man. Got my plugs in, you feel me? Huh? Oh, I ain't even. Oh, you talking about the dog. You feel me? That's that crank. It's already balanced. Yes, sir. Probably gonna put this bad boy in the house along with the block. Feel me? Alright, y'all, all loaded up, ready to go. Probably gonna assemble in this weekend. Y'all remember I polished them things. Got my pistons, compression. Gonna be high. So let's hit the road, man. Finally at the crib, y'all. That boy got his pin arms. Yes, sir. I can't wait. I can't wait. It's basically like a video of me going to get the motor. You feel me? I don't know when I'm gonna put this together. I'm working like crazy. You feel me? But it will be together before the end of this month. If y'all ain't subscribed, please subscribe. We finna turn up for my subscribers that already been rocking with me. Y'all see, man, I came a long way. How the motor looked before I actually took it, and now. So, bro, tune in. Until next time, I'm out.